Is this a long tail? Yeah. Is it? Gnarly.
It's gnarly. It's been a while, so who knows what's coming. Oh wow. Whoa. Woo. Oh my god. Just chill. Oh man, it's so greasy when it's wet. It's frightening. With a big drop.
Oh, she's a biggie.
The good old stare at it. I did it the other time, but
I loved it, man. He just fucking popped.
just came out. Oh, fucking hell, that is huge.
You're so slow.
I just went for it, yeah.
That was amazing. Dan said it the last time, but like so slowly. It was fucking hilarious. I would have got that jump off there, man, and fucking it was just, I made it. That jump at the start, I don't know why I said it. It's like, ooh, it does say you.
It does. I like from one button to the other.
Yeah, that was cool.
I can't believe I did that, and now I'm shitting myself just looking at it.
It's so slow.
Okay. It feels wet. Ooh. Wow. It was shite. Shitting myself all the way, man. Go.
I'm gonna crash and I'm at the front.
No, you're not. I'm gonna crash. What the fuck is that? That bit I picked there, it wasn't very good. Oh, here we go. We're doing the full blue view now, I guess.
No, purple haze.
Oh, purple haze, yeah. Oh. Right, get in gear. My God. I ain't got the skills for this. Should I? Should I? Yeah. This is a whole different thing in the wet. Oh, nice. Pretty. It's so pretty. So claggy. Oh man, look at the bluebells. Are amazing. Frightening how greasy it is. Wow, that was good.
It was crazy.
It was greasy.
We got to go back up again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fucking out that bother.
Yep.
It's a bit slippy today, eh?
Yeah, just a bit. Even going on a straight line is hard.
I'm in at the background.
I think that's what it is. They never touch the brakes.
No.
It's just from one to the next.
Will you? He's not even on the fucking bike.
Let's go. Can't even go in a straight line. Yeah, easy does that. Jesus. I'm definitely not doing like in the videos.
Yeah, master class and I know what to do it.
Ah,
Fucking bad.
it's just like, I'm honestly just happy to stay on the bike, to be honest.
Ah shit,
And
I've been up this one as well, definitely.
right back.
no more stories.
What do you want to do then?
Just
I'm not going to go fast, that's for sure. I think this place just scares the shit out of me. Oh wow. Oh, what happened? Right, man. like I lost my brakes. Easy does it. Oh, the rut. It's gone deep. Ooh. Come on, stay on the bike. That was sketchy as anything. All over the place. Oh wow. Yeah. It's actually be interesting here. Yes. Confidence inspiring. I thought it would be interesting. I've been all over the place. Yeah, and the hardtail as well. Oh yeah. Oh shit, oh shit. You okay? Oh shit. Oh, I see why you did that.
What's that?
It just slipped there.
I hit that tree.
Wow, you okay? My front wheel just slid as well.
Oh, very twice.
A bit of an off. Just you and had a bit of a tumble. I thought you were okay because you were fine there, but then yeah, the front wheel just washed. Oh, you need to just go. You can't. You don't want to be stopping.
You go then.
Ah, you go. That's fine. Just. Oh man. Oh man.
That's good you picked me up. That's an easy bit.
It is. What are you doing there? Get off the tree. The tree hugging. Fucking.
Pedal straight.
You alright, man? Is it sore?
I banged it again.
Oh, no. Whoa, whoa, fucking hell.
I'm struggling at these bits when it's been slippy.
It's mega slippy. You kind of have to let it slide.
I can't get into these bits, you know what I mean? But
Is it sore? Is it sore?
Oh, it's sore already.
You! Jesus. The bike is just going all over the place. That's quite something. Oh my god. Even on the straight line. Oh. You're bleeding.
A bit I come off there was I rode that neighbour, I was just because it fucking stopped.
I know, it's like you stop and then you start looking at everything.
No, you can't get a momentum up, man.
Yeah. Stay on the trail. That's a new exit. No, is it?
No. That bit you come over, I stopped and started going in and fucking ripped on my legs, man. What you think?
Fucking, oh.
Yeah, because of the other night, mate.
He started and then he went straight into the tree.
The tree, because I didn't have any momentum going, so it's not that bad a slope.
The fucking Ewan disappeared off the trail.
Because he was off.
Ewan was like, oh fuck, and then he was like, gone.